Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to switch back to Google Gemini from Google Assistant on Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If you go ahead and press the power button on your Samsung phone, then you should see the Google Assistant pop. Now, if you want to pop the Google Gemini each time you initiate this, then this is what you need to do. Now, the first thing to do is go ahead and open the Settings app. You want to scroll down and then click on Google. Click on All Services. Click on Search, Assistant and Voice. Then scroll down to Google Assistant and click on that. Scroll down and then you want to click on Digital Assistant from Google. Then go ahead and select Gemini. Now go ahead and click on switch to Gemini. And then this is going to switch to Gemini on your Samsung phone. Then it should say, get to know Gemini, your AI assistant. You can continue. Then click on more. And then go ahead and set up Google Gemini on your Samsung by clicking on Use Gemini. And then it should say, now when next you press the power button on your Samsung phone, this is going to wake the Google Gemini instead of Google Assistant. And then you are good. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.